I got some explaining to do. My memory card went corrupt and I had to buy a new memory card. And I lost 2 hours of footage. And that's why there was no part 4 yesterday. Because I lost my footage. But here's the mower anyway in its glory. Back together. It is a 3.5 horse, 148cc, easy spin, starting, Briggs & Stratton, 53. I don't have the air cleaner on it because I'm soaking the oil. I put $6 into it. I had to buy 2 bolts and a new used exhaust because the other one had a hole in it. What else? I also put a new turn buckle here because it was broken here, and it now has a fully functional choke and throttle system, so when I move it, everything, you know, moves like it should. For some reason it doesn't want to prime up, so the oil's good on it. I'm gonna prime it, and then sorry in advance for the wind noise. I got another red mower I'm doing, but there she is in her glory. I'm probably gonna just keep it and do a couple other videos on it, and we'll get it back to how it was originally. But there's 3.5 horse. Let's see if I can find a date. Usually it's on these covers somewhere. Sorry in advance, everybody's outside here. So this is how you tell the year on one of these. So a 51, right there, 1951 was when it was made. So yeah, that's how old it is. Thank you all for watching this short part. There's still a movie on it, and again, like I said, I have another video coming with a Will It Run with another mower. So thank you all for watching, and I'm going to quit babbling on here. I do want to thank you for watching, and thank you for all the support I've been having on my videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Again, I am so sorry for what has happened with this footage, but it'll still make it into a movie, and I'll just edit the movie, and yeah. Anyway, thanks to you all. Thank you all for watching, and if you want to see the series, make sure you go check out the playlist. Anyway, catch you all next time.